For me, it's everything for me. You walk a queen. Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chocolate Goddess and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the chocolate family. I know you're gonna love it here. On my channel I do health and lifestyle content as well as beauty. Today I'll be showing you guys this beautiful hair. So without further ado, let's jump into this video. So this unit is from NUOF Hair. It's an Amazon seller. They sell lace wigs, headband wigs, things like that. The wig came with this headband as well as this one. I just laid my baby hairs down really quickly. And this wig is versatile. Like, you could wear it in a ponytail straight to the back. Like that. I really love the density of this hair. It mimics African American hair so well. The texture, the kinkiness. This is a kinky 18-inch headband wig. Really cute in a straight back ponytail. You can also do half up, half down with this as well. And do a smaller pony. Half up, half down. Oh, it's so pretty. Like that. You can wear this hair to one side if you want. It looks so good with my natural hair. So realistic. Let's do a hot pony. I think this is some really great vacation hair. Like when you're not trying to do too much but still trying to look cute. This hair is perfect for that. Definitely. I just love how realistic this looks to African American hair. That is really gorgeous, you guys. Really, like, barely any effort. And did I talk about how flowy the hair is? It's really fluffy. The bounce in it is beautiful. Like, you can do a messy bun as well. Still looks cute. I really love, like, wow. You can't tell me this is not my hair. Like, if I was to go outside, you can. And if you want to dress it up, you can dress it down. It is so gorgeous. Look. So pretty. I love it. Okay, let's swap out headbands. It's really nice. And I love that it comes with two headbands instead of one, because some companies just send you one and think that's good enough. Like, sis, I need two. I want to switch it up. We don't always want to wear the same thing. Pretty, right? And this hair is super affordable. It's $59.99. They even offer coupons on Amazon that you can clip to get it for a more affordable price. I really love this hair. And it seems like it's longer than 18 inches. Y'all, come on now. It's really flattering for African American women. And like I said, very bouncy. Very bouncy. Doesn't require any flat ironing, hot combing. This is how this hair looks straight out the pack. Very pretty. You can even braid this hair if you want. I just think this hair is so gorgeous. How could you not? It's mad full. You can also do a half up, half down bun as well. Really cute. It's very versatile. Affordable, quality, and it's lightweight. It's not heavy on my hair. It's not pulling on my hair at all. Let me show you guys what the hair looks like off. This is how the hair comes out the package. The texture is amazing, and it's all through the wig. Very full. The wig comes with 4 combs. 1, 2, 3, and 1 at the back with the elastic to wrap around your head. It is big head friendly as well. It's really nice. So I will leave the hair link down below. You guys go ahead and get this hair before it sells out. It's a really nice piece to have. And until next time, I catch you guys.